Something just changed in the AI world, and most people outside of tech missed it. AI just went Super Saiyan. Not the character, the skill level. 2 years ago, the best AI in the world could fix 1 out of every 10 real programming bugs on its own. This year, it fixes 7 out of 10. No human helping, no hints, first try. That is the kind of jump Goku makes in an episode, not the kind of technology makes in 24 months. Here is the test in plain language. Think of it as the hunter exam for AI. A gauntlet 500 rounds long. Each round is a real bug from a real app on the internet. The AI gets the bug description, the full code, and an automatic test. It has to fix the bug alone on the first try. Pass or fail. No retries, no hints. Just like Gon going through the hunter exam, every single round either eliminates or promotes. 13 out of 100 in 2024. 70 out of 100 in 2026. Base Goku to Super Saiyan in 24 months flat. Same AI, entirely different power level. Not a curve, a transformation. Anthropic built a tool called Claude Code for this. You tell it what you want in plain English. Fix the login bug on the homepage, add dark mode, refactor the payment flow. Think Lelouch's Geass from Code Geass. You give the command, the target obeys, except here the target is your code base. It reads the whole project, edits the files, runs the tests, saves the work. No technical setup, just a command. 4 companies are racing for the same prize. Anthropic, the maker of Claude. OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT. Google with Gemini. Microsoft, which already owns the tool most developers use. It is the 4 emperors of AI. The Yonko. 4 fleets, 4 flags, all sailing toward the same new world. Whoever gets there first owns a big piece of the software industry for the next decade. Pricing is already a war. The cheapest AI coding assistant runs $20 a month. The top of the line sits at $200, cheaper than a gym membership for an AI that can write professional software. This is a no-game, no-life scenario. Whoever bets lowest and still wins the whole game. The race to the bottom just started. One tool shows what is at stake. A startup called Cursor makes a text editor for programmers. 24 months ago, they were nobody. Today, they are worth $12 billion, and half of Silicon Valley runs on their editor. They are the Deku of the AI tool world. Started quirkless, powered up through the product. The AI button inside their editor finishes entire coding tasks while you go and make coffee. Back to the 7 out of 10. Researchers gave the AI 500 real bugs taken from real apps. It solved 350 alone. The other 150 failed. On the Hunter x Hunter Nen chart, that lands in specialist tier. Elite, not god level, but head and shoulders above what any AI could do a year ago. Where AI fails is where Okabe from Steins Gate would thrive. 3 patterns every single time. First, bug reports too vague where a human would stop and ask which login bug. Second, bugs whose cause lives somewhere the AI cannot see. A user's phone, a customer server log, a private chat. Third, design choices that come down to taste. The AI can write code. It still cannot play detective. Taste is the last thing AI cannot do yet. This is the Zero Requiem problem from Code Geass. 2 solutions that both technically work. A senior developer looks at both and picks the one the team will still understand 3 years from now. That is not a benchmark skill. That is Lelouch calling the final move that no machine can calculate. For now, taste is a human monopoly. For people just starting their careers, the map already changed. GitHub reports that 61% of small code changes are now written by AI. Those small tasks, the easy bugs, the quick fixes, were the onboarding tickets. The training ramp. The equivalent of a kid in My Hero Academia discovering their quirk for the first time. That ramp is closing. Juniors who do not learn to command AI face a door that was wide open 5 years ago. Think of solo leveling. Jinwoo does not fight every enemy himself. He summons shadow soldiers. Each one works on its own target autonomously, and at the end Jinwoo decides what matters. Or think Naruto's shadow clone jutsu. 1 ninja, 20 copies, all training different moves at once, all the knowledge flowing back to the original. That is exactly how experienced developers work now. 1 person. 4 AI assistants. 4 parallel attempts. 1 human judgment at the end, about which attempt actually ships. The real shift is not AI replacing people. It is people who use AI replacing people who do not. A developer running 4 agents in parallel gets 4 times more done than one who refuses the tools. Base Goku versus Super Saiyan Goku. Same person, totally different power level. That gap is already showing up in hiring, in job postings, in salaries. Every quarter it widens. Writing code used to be the rare skill. Deciding which code is worth keeping is the rare skill now. The AI just hit 100% the way Mob Psycho does when he finally lets go of the limiter. You learn to fight alongside it, the way Jinwoo commands his shadow army, or you get lapped. That is the choice. The typing part is over. The judgment part has just started. Where AI meets the anime generation. Subscribe for the next drop.